leave the ghost at the line. The land is a gift, but the choice is still mine. Moses spoke the word like a hammer to the head. Tear down the stone where the poison was fed. Smash the pillars, let the icons fall. You cannot build a kingdom with rot in the wall. If you want the harvest, you must burn the weed, lest the ancient sickness chokes out the seed.
The comfortable poison is a slow motion grave. You're kissing the chains of the life you won't save. You can't find your healing in the halls of your hurt. Stop trying to wash in the blood in the dirt.
The directive is clear, the command is a fire, to pull every spirit out of the mire. What they worshipped in darkness must die in the light. If you want to survive the length of the night, tear down the altar, burn down that place,
Scour the earth of the shame and disgrace.
leave the biohazard,
Let the shrines fall. Tear down the statues, reclaim it all.
you cannot be whole.
In the shadow of the dead,
Follow the fire.
where the spirit is led.
My father told me, son, guard your own ground. Where the air is heavy, the truth isn't found. You don't fix a house that is built on a lie. You strike a match and you watch the flame fly. Extraction is holy, the cutting is deep, but the promises made are the ones we must keep. The chrome crucifix isn't here to compromise. We're here to watch the smoke of the idols rise.
The new land is waiting, but the spirit must change. To walk in the blessing, the past must be strange. No traces of failure, no scent of the rot. Wipe away the names of the things we forgot.
The extraction is final, the covenant is sworn. From the ashes of altars, a sovereign is born. No more bowing to ghosts, no more shrines to the pain. Only the truth